Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on bold reports. When designing reports, it's important to ensure that report items appear in the correct visual order, especially when items overlap. Improper ordering can cause items to hide behind others, resulting in a confusing or incomplete report layout. In this video, I will show you how to use the layout ordering feature in the Bold Reports Report Designer. This feature helps manage the stacking order of report items, making it easier to organize overlapping elements and achieve the intended layout. I'll be using the Web Report Designer for this demo. Let's get started. First, I add a column chart to the design surface and assign values to it. Next, I'll add a rectangle that sits behind or in front, depending on how it is ordered. Next, I add a rectangle to the design surface above the chart. I resize it so that it is large enough to overlap part of the chart. I apply a background color to the rectangle to make the layering effect clearer. Next, I add an image to the designer. For this demo, I'll be using the Bold Reports logo. This provides the perfect starting point to demonstrate layout ordering. In the toolbar, there are 4 layout ordering options: send backward, bring forward, send to back, and bring to front. Send backward moves the selected item one step back, placing it behind the closest overlapping object. Bring forward moves the selected item one step forward, placing it above the closest overlapping object. Send to back moves the selected item behind all overlapping objects, effectively to the bottommost layer. While bring to front moves the selected item above all overlapping objects, making it the topmost layer. These options visually move the selected item over or behind other intersecting objects on the design surface. I have brought the chart forward using the Bring to Front Layout Order option to show you how each option affects the rectangle in the chart. First is the Send Backward. I select the chart. Then select the Send Backward option. This moves the column chart behind the image. You'll see the Bold Reports logo begin to appear in front, but the chart might still cover certain parts depending on the overlap. Next, I select the rectangle and choose the Bring Forward option. This moves the rectangle one level higher, placing it above the chart if they are close. This option is useful when you only want to move an item forward gradually. Moving on to Bring to Front. I select the chart and enable the Bring to Front option. It moves the chart above all other items on the design surface, so nothing covers it. Lastly, I select the chart report item and then select the Send to Back option. This pushes the chart behind the rectangle in the image report item. By applying these layout ordering tools, you can avoid report items overlapping, ensuring that key visual elements like charts are always displayed in the correct layer. In this video, I have shown you how to add a rectangle, apply a background color, and use the layout ordering tools in the Bold Reports Designer to manage overlapping report items. To explore more features, visit boldreports.com. You can begin a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free button, or schedule a personalized demo with our team today. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.